everybody, and today's video is going to be, as you can see, about keyboards. But the main problem is that over time as we use them, the keys get stuck. They harden up and it's pretty much impossible to use keyboards. And from a close-up you can see that it's pretty old and the keys are not working as smoothly as they should be working. So how to fix it? First you need to pull out all the keys one by one, every single key. Don't worry about the placement, as you can see the placement from the internet again when you are trying to fix them again. So just pull every key out by a gentle tap of the screwdriver. No need to worry about the placement of the keys. You move further, you can see the level of dirt in the keyboard stuck in here. Now as you all can see, all the keys are out. Here's an overview of the dirt stuck in the keyboard. The key pulling out process of every keyboard is the same. Of every simple keyboard is the same. Apart from the mechanical keyboards, it's the same process. Now all the keys are out, so we flip over and unscrew. Now we have unscrewed the back of the keyboard and you can pull it out like this. This part doesn't have anything to do with the jamming of the keyboard, so put it aside, and that's your thing. That's the cushion, rubber cushion that keeps the keys upwards, and this is the front side. So you have to clean it up, and remember our weapons of mass destruction. Wait, I'll show it to you again. Now as you can see, we have got the top cleaned up, and now it's time to clean the other parts. Every part from the top side of the keyboard, any keyboard, is washable. The top cover, the inner pad and the keys are completely washable. Now I've got everything cleaned up. Now let's wait for it to dry it, because drying is the key for successful fitting and successful working of any preamble or anything electronic that you wash or clean. Now time to put it back. To put it back, you can use another keyboard that you have at your home, or simply download an image from the internet of the same keyboard. That will help you fix all the keys, but mostly keys are similar in all keyboards, so we can use our instinct to fit it back. Yeah, the small shift goes here, and this one is Windows key, so it always gets its position like here, and this one's control key, so we all know that control key is over here and over here. To fix a key, all you need to do is simply find its place, put it there and press it hard, just like that. Here's the tab key, and place it here and push it hard. Now as you can see, all the keys are in place, nice, neat and clean, and the screws are tightened up. Everything looks good. The keys are soft now, pretty much softer than they were before. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe and hit like.